Okay, now for those knots in your upper back, this is a brilliant little trick that you can do to help those knots between your shoulder blades and your upper back. It's really easy, feels great, and for the sake of $1, go out and get yourself a tennis ball. If you want to spend a bit more money, the company Rumble Rollers have a great thing called Beastie Ball, which I use. It's way better than a tennis ball, and you can have a look on our website. We've got a link to their company. But if not, grab yourself a tennis ball, and here's what you do. Put it on the wall. Don't put it on your spine, but put it on the wall. And what you're going to do, use your legs. Don't hit your shoulders, okay? Put it there and then work slowly up and down your back. You're off the spine, between the shoulder blades, and work it all around. Where you feel a painful area, just sort of stay there, lean your weight into it. You're in control of the pressure. And as long as you've got that sort of what I call a happy pain, that feel-good releasing pain, that's going to work on maintaining that back and really helping out the knots. Okay? 2 to 3 minutes. Do it a couple of times when you're on your micro breaks. If you're at work, go up against the wall, use this. It feels fantastic, and trust me, you won't go anywhere without it.